Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.